Hello and welcome! I'm going to run through several quick facts that I know you'll find pretty interesting, or even amazing. If you do, be sure to let me know in the comments. All right, let's go. The very first American football game was played in 1869 between Rutgers University and the College of New Jersey, now known as Princeton. The sport originated by blending the rules of both rugby and soccer, and the game took place in New Brunswick, New Jersey, with an audience of about 100 on hand, according to Rutgers. Would you believe that blue lobsters exist? They're quite rare, though, so much so that the probability of a blue lobster is widely touted as being 1 in 2 million. These lobsters are so colored because of a genetic abnormality that causes them to produce more of a certain protein than others, resulting in the pigment responsible for the normal red-orange color in lobsters. Here's one few people likely know. The name America comes from the Latin version of Italian explorer Amerigo Vespucci's first name, Americus. If you did know that, then kudos to your high school history teacher. Interestingly, Vespucci, after exploring the Americas, realized and asserted that the lands Columbus discovered in 1492 were a separate continent and not part of Asia as previously believed. In 1507, German cartographer Martin Waldseemüller used the feminine form of Americus, America, to match the Latinized names of other continents, just like Europa and Asia. The ancient Romans had a unique tradition of dropping a piece of burnt or toasted bread into their wine to supposedly soften the taste of the wine, and this practice is believed to be the origin of the modern-day toasting ritual. If the wine was considered acidic or bitter, they would add toasted bread to their glasses to improve the flavor. They also did this to symbolize a wish for good health while drinking. So the next time you go to raise a drink in honor or celebration of someone, feel free to skip the bread dunking ritual, unless your wine tastes a bit bitter too, I suppose. Here's one for all you astronomy enthusiasts. The asteroid Ceres was the very first asteroid discovered on January 1st, 1801, by Italian astronomer Giuseppe Piazzi at the Palermo Astronomical Observatory in Sicily. Piazzi used an instrument called a transit circle, or Ramsden circle, to make the discovery. We might cover that device in another video. As for the asteroid itself, Ceres resides in the main asteroid belt, located between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter, and is now classified as a dwarf planet due to its size and shape. How many varieties of apples do you think there are? Any guesses? Well, if you said around 7,500 varieties of apples are grown worldwide, you'd be correct. Yes, 7,500 varieties. Due to climate variation and agriculture, only about 1/3 of these are grown in the United States, and of that group, just around 100 or so are grown commercially. Pretty interesting, right? Thought so. Take a minute and comment your thoughts or which fact you liked best, would you? See you in the next video.